Islamic philosophy and education combines knowledge with moral values, aiming to develop both intellectual and ethical character. This approach is grounded in the teachings of the Quran and Hadith, which guide the educational journey. At its core, seeking knowledge is viewed as an act of worship. This perspective motivates students to pursue education sincerely and passionately. Learning becomes a quest for self-discovery, societal understanding, and a sense of responsibility toward others. Islamic philosophy also emphasizes a holistic development of the individual mind, body, and spirit. This comprehensive approach fosters critical thinking, creativity, and ethical reasoning, promoting personal growth. In practice, Islamic educational institutions blend traditional methods with modern teaching techniques. This combination strives to produce well-rounded individuals who contribute to society while adhering to their faith. The ultimate aim of Islamic philosophy and education is to create knowledgeable and morally upright individuals dedicated to community service. It empowers students to navigate the complexities of the modern world while remaining committed to their ethical and spiritual values.